One of the areas I'm most excited about helping is into the startup community around medical devices. There's an entirely new suite of capabilities and technologies that can give the modern entrepreneur a true leg up over his competition. We can now access digital design communities to come up with alternative designs in days and weeks at a fraction of the cost that it would even take us to do it internally. We can provide a straight-to-robotic manufacturing platform that monitors and gathers all the data around a product's life from the day it's born. That facilitates validation process, that facilitates FDA interface and approvals. And from the finance side, it creates a known, predictable, more or less fixed cost structure around how to scale each segment of the product's hardware life. And at the end of the day, you're tapping into a company with over 60 years of experience building very high consequence of failure applications for, amongst other things, a large variety of med device OEMs.